Did you know that when given the option, 77% of app users choose social login when registering for an app? Hi, my name is Finola and I'm from the customer success team here at Pulsate. Today, we're going to look at how you can improve the registration process for your users. So let's get into it. I'm sure you've noticed from downloading apps in the past that there's a number of different ways that you can sign up. So whether that's inputting a username and password to create an account or just logging in through your social networks such as Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn. Basically, to do this, you just key in your social network details and the information is pulled over to that app. Since social login was introduced, there's been an increase of 50% in app registration, as basically it just makes it much easier for the user and removes any friction of having to enter or create an account. And also it improves the app experience as it becomes more personalized as you have access to more custom data. So let's look at an example. Say you have an app that's a news app and the user logs in through Facebook. Their name and profile picture and a number of other information such as maybe their date of birth or their email address is pulled so that you have more information on that user, and when they log in they have an account created. As I said as well, you have information on their interests such as from what they've liked or shared on Facebook, and you can use that to create more personalized campaigns, whether in the form of push notifications or in-app messages. So the advantages of this is that it eliminates inputting details into long forms, and also lots of false data can be put in those forms, so it just makes the information more accurate. So you can send, as I said here, more targeted content. Creates cleaner data, reduces multiple profiles of the same user. So if social login is something that you would like to use for your app, it's important that you do your research first and know your audience. So where do they hang out? Maybe they're not on Facebook, maybe it's a better option to use Twitter or LinkedIn. So it's important to do your research before you decide to use social logins. So these are just some of the ways that you can improve registration for your app by using social login. Next week, we'll be looking at how you can use the learn by doing method in the onboarding process. If you haven't subscribed to the Academy, make sure you do so. Leave a comment below or you can catch us on Twitter at Pulsate HQ. See you next time. Social logins link wagon map. Thanks for watching. What am I meant to say here?